Recent tariff terrors, well, you wouldn't be alone. And look, there's not much I can say that's going to make you feel better in the short term, but I've been a financial advisor for several decades, so I've lived through a lot of market turmoil. Typically, we have drawdowns of 10% in a given year, and sometimes we reach a bear market defined as a 20% correction or more. So I get it. It's scary when you pull up your account and you look, see that it's down by that much, that quickly, in just a few days. You're gonna be tempted to wanna pull the ripcord and get out of your investments to make the pain stop. But that can often be a gigantic mistake because you don't know where the bottom is, you don't know where the next top is. You could sell now only to see the market rebound tomorrow, and then when do you get back into it? Now, if your portfolio is not really set up and suited for your long-range goals, maybe you do need to make some changes. I'm not saying today or tomorrow, but longer term, maybe you do need to think about making some adjustments to your approach. Everyone should have a well-crafted financial plan that really steps through the amount of risk you should take, and portfolio construction should then be made in the context of that plan for all of us. I have a plan. All of our families have plans, and that can keep you grounded in times of turmoil like we're seeing right now. For example, if your financial plan is pointing to the fact that you need to save and invest more, this can be looked at as a great opportunity. You'd rather buy in when prices are low than when they're at all-time highs. So we've seen the markets roll back to about where we were in early 2024. We don't always get a chance to go back and invest money that needs to be put to work a year or more in the past. Now that opportunity is presenting itself. And understand, I am in no way calling a bottom to this market. None of us know. There could be another 20% downside or even more that unfolds over the coming months or years. Applying tariffs is a fundamental change to how we've wired our entire economy over the last 50 to 70 years. Our economy has been based on free trade. Now we're going to restrict that with tariffs. That may provide rewards for some industries, but it's likely to hurt others. Consumers are most likely going to get caught in the middle and are going to be required to pay more for everyday goods. That will act as a drag on the economy and could foretell a recession. But all you can do is control what you can control. You can control the amount that you're spending on discretionary goods and services, and you can make a commitment to save more for your future and acquire investments at lower prices than we had even a week ago. Again, every decision you make should be in the context of a well-crafted financial plan. That's the bedrock for all of this. You're in charge of your future. You're in charge of your ability to build a plan and stick to that plan through good and bad times. We find that that gives people the grounding they need to make real progress in their financial lives.